the packages alone? Can you please, they're for my wedding. Can you please put the packages back? Be a good person. Sorry, someone just stole packages from my front lawn.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Sorry. Oh, I think I might have the wrong house. Sorry about that.
So, there you go. Scary. Huh? Scary. You got scared. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hungry, man. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
Oh, did you go in their house?
Ando buscando mi casa. Pero voy por acá. Gracias.
Hello? Hello?
Oh my God.
Hello? What do you want?
Blood! Hey, blood! Fuck!
I'm sorry. Hi. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm lost. Do you know where the closest doors are?
The closest what?
Doors.
Doors?
Doors.
Down that way.
Okay, which way do I go?
You go that way.
First of all, up, open. Almost went. Somebody's right.
I'm gonna pee. Oh, God. Oh, God. I do. I'm gonna pee.
on my porch. Get off my porch. Get off my porch. Get away from my house. You got no business over here. Get out of here.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Yes, can we help you?
Yeah, it's David. The lunch. I'm looking for my wife. I haven't. Yeah, I'm looking for my wife. I got out of jail recently, and I haven't seen my wife. I don't know where she's at. Clarissa de la Maestra?
No, I think you have around house.
Oh, okay. You sound like the woman from the Mad TV. My friend.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, Miss One.
Hello. I don't even have my key in. Ooh, that's perfect. I'll sleep right here. Sure.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
If you rolling off the 50, we baking in this bitch tomorrow. So we baking in this bitch today. Put that on it.
Yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Make sure you check out the Doorbell News store at doorbellnews.com. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.